Welcome back, explorers. Today our lab is, well, it is a bit messy.
I am trying to clean up after our big science party, but there are so many cups and forks. They are all made of plastic.
Beep boop, do not fear. Activating maximum suction cleanup mode. Oh no, I think a fork is stuck in my air intake.
Oh, Ziggy, please turn off your vacuum motor before you break a gear. But that actually brings us right to a fantastic question from one of our explorers, Tyler.
Tyler asked, why are plastic forks and spoons unhealthy?
That is a brilliant question. Plastic is absolutely everywhere. But what exactly is it? And why does it stick around for so long?
Yeah, what is this stuff anyway?
Let us find out right after this.
Hello? Is this thing on? I pressed a button.
Ziggy, you pressed the intro button.
Oh, I thought it was the snack button.
Hoot hoot! Hello, explorers! Welcome to STEM with Dr. Owl.
Where we explore big ideas and curious questions together.
Every episode is a new adventure, full of wonder, thinking, and fun.
Adventure confirmed, curiosity level, maximum. Okay, everyone. Robot rule. Sit still. Snack systems ready. The show is on.
Okay, Dr. Owl, we are back. So, tell us the secret of plastic.
Well, Emma, to understand plastic, we first need to talk about molecules.
Molecules. That sounds like a tiny burrowing animal with glasses.
Not quite. Molecules are the tiny, invisible building blocks that make up everything in the universe. You, me, the water we drink. They are all made of molecules.
Scanning. Wow. I am made of metal molecules and also 50% pure awesome. Beep boop.
Exactly, Ziggy. Now, here is our first trivia question for you and our home explorers. Did humans invent plastic, or did we find it growing in nature like wood or cotton?
I have never seen a plastic tree before. I am going to guess humans invented it.
Spot on, Emma. Humans invented plastic by taking certain molecules and linking them together into super long chains. Think of it like snapping a bunch of Lego pieces together to make a really long snake.
Oh, I love Lego! So, plastic is just long chains of tiny building blocks that we snap together?
Exactly. And because humans designed these chains, we made them incredibly strong and flexible. But why do you think we made plastic in the first place?
To make cool robot action figures.
That is one fun reason. But let us play a quick imagination game to understand the true purpose. Emma, imagine your school lunchbox.
Okay, I am imagining it. It has a yummy sandwich and some juice.
Now imagine a world with zero plastic. What would your lunchbox be made of?
Maybe metal? But that would be heavy to carry. Maybe glass? But that could easily break if I drop it.
Exactly. Plastic is light. It does not break easily. It keeps water out, and it is very cheap to make. It solved a massive amount of problems for people when it was invented.
So if it is so helpful, why did Tyler ask if plastic forks and spoons are unhealthy?
That is the tricky part. Touching a plastic fork is not going to make you instantly sick. But if you put plastic in something really hot, like boiling soup, or put it in the microwave, something sneaky happens.
Sneaky? What happens?
When plastic gets super hot, tiny, invisible chemical molecules can sometimes unsnap and sneak right into our food.
Alert! Alert! Sneaky food ninjas detected.
You could call them that, Ziggy. And our bodies do not really like digesting those sneaky ninja chemicals. But honestly, the biggest problem with plastic is what happens after we are done using it.
Does it turn into a plastic monster?
No, Ziggy. But what does happen, Dr. Owl?
Let us do a little experiment right here in the lab. I have a banana peel from my lunch, and I have a plastic spoon. Emma, if we bury both of these in the dirt outside, what happens to the banana peel after a few weeks?
It rots. It gets all mushy and brown, and then bugs and worms eat it, and it just disappears into the dirt.
Yes! Nature knows exactly how to break down the banana peel. But remember those long, super strong Lego chains we made to create plastic?
Nature does not know how to break them apart.
You got it. Plastic does not rot like food. If you drop a plastic wrapper, it might stay there for hundreds of years.
That is a really long time to wait for the dirt to eat it.
And that brings us to our second trivia question. How long do you think a plastic water bottle takes to completely break down in the ocean? A. 10 years. B. 50 years. C. 450 years.
I really want to say A, but I have a feeling it is C.
You are right, Emma. It is C. 450 years. And even then, it just breaks into teeny tiny pieces called microplastics.
Microplastics? So the plastic is still there, just hiding in tiny bits?
Exactly. And sometimes, animals in the ocean mistake those tiny pieces for food, which is very unhealthy for them. So, that is why single-use plastics like forks and spoons can become a problem for the health of our whole planet.
Dr. Owl, that makes me feel a little worried. We use so much plastic. What can we do to help?
I will shoot it all into outer space with my laser beams. Pew pew.
I do not think we have enough rockets for that, Ziggy.
Do not worry, Emma. There is actually a lot we can do, and it is quite empowering. First, we can simply try to use less of the plastic that we only use once.
Like bringing my own reusable water bottle to school instead of buying a plastic one.
Perfect. We can also say no to plastic straws and use cloth bags at the grocery store. And when we do use plastic, we can make sure to recycle it so it can be melted down and made into something new. It takes teamwork, but every single little bit helps.
I am going to tell all my friends to use reusable lunchboxes.
Beep, I am going to recycle myself. I am made of cans and old toaster parts.
You stay right as you are, Ziggy. Well, explorers, that is all the time we have for today. Keep asking questions and keep exploring.
Bye, everyone. Stay curious. Ziggy, what are you doing inside the recycling bin?
Shh. I am trying to see if I can melt down into a shiny new electric bicycle. Do you have a blowtorch?
Oh, Ziggy, get out of there!
Okay, the show is over, but curiosity stays on.
I loved exploring with you today. If you had fun, tell a friend about our show.
Sharing is caring. Robots read that in a manual. Oh, question detected. If you have one too, leave it in the comments. My inbox is very empty.